Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I'm dealing with spectroscopy for chemistry. This is lecture number 32. In this lecture I will explain you woodward-fieser's rules for calculation of lambda maxima. Normally for chemist, particularly for organic chemist, knowing lambda maxima value of a given unknown compound is very important. Because it is one of the important part of spectroscopy to identify the structure of unknown compound. That is why it is very, very important at present. So, UV visible spectra of unsaturated organic compound mainly gives band in the region of 200 to 800 nanometer. So in organic chemistry, normally a structure is given. In study of UV visible spectra, a student is given structure of organic compound. From which they calculate lambda maxima. So this way, to find out lambda maxima, we should know certain systems. So for that, Woodward and Fieser proposed rules for three organic systems. And on the basis of these rules, we can calculate lambda maxima value of unknown compound. So please remember that for UV visible spectra, you should be given unsaturated compound. So the first criteria is only for unsaturated compound. UV visible spectra is only for unsaturated compound. Okay, and unsaturated compound have double bonds or triple bonds. There should be minimum two double bonds. In a given compound. When two double bonds are present, such compound is known as dyn. So let us discuss the first system, dyn system. There are three types of dyn system. The first one is known as cumulative dyn system. When two pi bonds are shared by one common carbon atom, then it is called cumulative-dyn system. So this is a common carbon atom which is sharing two pi bonds together, but with two different carbons. So when two double bonds are shared by one common carbon atom, it is known as cumulative dyn system. Second, isolated dyn system. One carbon has double bond with one carbon, then there will be more than one single bonds in the chain, and then there may be one more double bond. So isolated dyn have the double bonds, at least two double bonds, but separated by two or more single bonds. Then such system is known as isolated system. Okay, because here there are two or more single bonds between two double bonds, and therefore it is known as isolated system. The next system is conjugateddyn system. Here there will be C double bond C, then single bond C, and then C double bond C. That means you find minimum 2 alternative double bonds. So conjugated dyn system have 2 double bonds separated by only one single bond. And this system is very important for us, because normally we are going to study conjugateddyn system. That means there should be at least 2 alternate pi bonds. So this system is most important for us for calculation of lambda maxima. Okay, so normally we will get numericals based on conjugateddyn system. Now, types of conjugateddyn systems. There are mainly 3 types of conjugateddyn system. One is called open chain dyn. It is also known as non-cyclic dyn, or it can be alicyclic dyn, or acyclic dyn. Acyclic dyn system. Okay, so this is one. Second is known as homoannular dyn system. And the third one is known as heteroannular dyn system. So first of all, it is necessary to know the type of dyn system present in a given compound, because absorption of UV visible radiation of particular wavelength occur because of this system. So it is necessary to know which kind of system is present in a given compound. I will explain you in detail about these dyn systems in next lecture. Thank you so much.